Hello and welcome to this webinar. I'm going to give you a high-level overview of the tax relief for gifts to charities by donors. I'm Tony Austin and I'm an independent tax consultant, and I specialise in advising charities and their advisors. I'll briefly cover where you can find the legislation without going into too much detail. There's no one single piece of legislation that allows for any gift to charity to get tax relief. There are different rules for the different taxes, and there's restricted rules under certain taxes, particularly for income tax. What there is all-encompassing legislation for is what are called tainted donations, which is the anti-avoidance to stop tax relief where the donation has tried to help out the donor rather than or more than the charity. We'll be looking at that in a bit more detail. Chargeable gains, both for individuals and companies, there's a fairly straightforward exemption. A business gift generally is not a trading expense, so there are specific rules about business gifts. There's a very interesting relief for gifts of securities, quoted securities and property, not just for capital gains tax, but also for income tax as well. For individuals wanting to give to charity, they can do it through their payroll. There's a special relief from inheritance tax, not just the relief itself, but it also can reduce the tax payable on the rest of the estate. And then finally, we'll look at the big one, which is the gift aid scheme for donations of money by both companies and by individuals.